Okay. So most of you already saw the flyer and already filled out the forms to us. And we have the names and informations about you. And now, like afterwards, you have to register for the courses, and it has to go through the Louisiana State University Gene Lab or the iLab. So this is the way that, so first thing is you have to have an account in the iLab. So most of the people like who are in LSU or the LSU School of Veterinary Science who have used the core facility, you all have the account in the core facility. However, the people who are outside Louisiana State University or maybe in the LBRN or somewhere else, you have to sign up for an account in the iLab. So I will send you the link to sign up. After this orientation session, I will send out an email with the link and will help you out how to create an account here first. So some of the students, undergrad or graduate students already reached out to me and saying that they don't see their PI's name in the system. So for those of you, if you don't see your PI's name in the list, just send me an email and with the informations of your PI's name and email address and also the phone number, we will add your PI's name in the system. Then you will be able to register. So first, after creating an account, you will have to sign in, and then you will see a page like this. You will have your username and password. You will sign in, and afterwards you will see a page like this. And on the left-hand side, there will be a tab called Core Facilities. You have to click on the Core Facilities. And then you have to select the CEDAR Core Facilities and Services. And then on the right-hand corner, on top corner, you will see the request services. So this is one of the services that the core facility does. So you will select the training modules under the request services tab. So once you get in there, you have to select the courses that you want to take. So we already updated the name of the courses for this semester. So you will see all these three names: the Introduction to Bioinformatics, Genomics, Metagenomics, and the Big Data Analysis on the left-hand side. And you will select, and if you have any specific comments, you can write in here. And then you can save this form and submit it later, or you can directly send it and submit it with the after introducing the fund number. So those of you who are part of the LBRN program or part of LSU or School of Veterinary Science, you can just write that here, and this course is free for you. So we are gonna put some numbers here and it will be free for you. However, the people who are outside Louisiana State University, they have to put their fund number where we should charge for the courses. And then you just submit the request to us. So then we will go through the overall information here, and then we will accept it. And that is how your registration will be completed. So I will send out this information in an email afterwards, after this orientation session. And still, if you have any questions, just send me an email. I'm physically here in the School of Veterinary Science on the 3rd floor. Whoever in LSU or in the vet school, if you guys want to see me or have any specific questions, you can see me or you can send me an email. I will try to help you.